Hey friends, this is Atif Opir and welcome to the new update on GLMR. On a 7 days time frame chart, GLMR has already broken out a quite long-term down channel, and after the breakout, we had a nice rally. In fact, I have been showing you this channel even before breaking out this resistance of the channel. I've been telling you that target for the breakout from this channel can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 60 cents, and you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target, and from this low to this high you can see that it rallied almost 355%, but could not break out this very long-term resistance zone that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. That had been previously breaking as a resistance support zone here, and after the breakdown in the month of August 2022 we broke it down, and since then it is flipped into a very strong resistance. And after the breakout from the channel, you can see we got one rejection here, and this time we had a powerful attempt and the price line was forming higher low than previous low, but at the same time we had a very clear signal of a bearish divergence as stochastic oscillator was not able to form another higher low than previous low. In fact, it was forming lower than previous low. This was a quite clear bearish divergence, and the price line followed this signal, got rejection by this resistance zone and dropped down here, and after testing the support of 26.5 cents. Now it is trying to break out the next resistance of 31.5 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud that is now breaking as support, because we have broken out this resistance of the cloud and now retesting the previous resistance of the cloud as a support. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GLMR that I shared on 9th of March 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that GLMR formed with Bitcoin pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone, and this was almost 47% pump only on this two-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of GLMR. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that previously, since after the month of January 2023, it has been moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And after the breakout from this down channel here, by the way, we broke it out in the month of September 2023. The price line retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up. And the target for this breakout was here, approximately at 60 cents at the top of the channel. And you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target up to 72.92, but got rejected by this long-term resistance on that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. By the way, during this rally, we broke out the resistance of this very big Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now recently, we have broken down the support of upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now it is after testing the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support, it is geared up and trying to break out this long-term resistance of 31.5 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance, by the way. Previously, it had been breaking as support here, resistance here, and support here. And now again, it is breaking as a resistance. And after that, the next resistance will be here at 40 cents. That has been previously breaking as a resistance here and almost as a support here as well. And therefore, again, it can break as a resistance. And after that, we will have this very major resistance on that start from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. And we will also need to break out this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. This time, this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud is slightly lower than the resistance of 40 cents. And then it can again break as a strong support. By the way, you can see that the cloud is now flipped into a bullish cloud. Therefore, it will be easy for the price line to break out the resistance of the bullish cloud, because bullish cloud works as a very weak resistance, but as a support, it works as a very strong support for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the inverse head and shoulder pattern that I have been showing you in so many previous videos, still that move is valid. And you can see that we had a big drop. This was a left shoulder. Then we had the formation of the head. And now this is the formation This can be the formation of the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And this long-term resistance line that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents is the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And once the price line will be able to break out this resistance on, then it will be also breaking out the neckline of this very big inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And the target for the breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern will be here. That will be approximately at $2.60. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.